Welcome friends to our Facebook page. We are going to make a ball using this purple clay ball. Now we are going to color this tissue paper. You can also use a mask. If you don't have a tissue paper, then we are going to dab all the small pieces inside the ball, and look, your flower is ready. Remove the corn seeds and paste all of them together using hot glue gun, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and paste all of them on this dry twig and dab it inside the clay, and look, your flower basket is ready. Cut this empty bottle, fill it with sponge and clay. We are going to cover it using brown clay as well. Then we are going to make sunflowers using yellow and brown clay. Give it shape using toothpick. We are going to make the stick using green clay. Paste all of them and dab it inside the pot, and look, your flower basket is ready. We are going to make a star by folding this square paper. Stars can be used for various decoration purpose. We are going to make it in a very easy way. Start folding into half and again fold it, and we are going to make a triangular shape. Now cut it like we are doing here. Open it, and look, your star is ready. You can give shape to it, and it's done. Take this red craft paper, fold it into half, again fold it like we are doing here. We are making a triangular from the top. Then we are going to draw lines on it using pencil and cut the lines around it using scissors. Open it, and you will get a beautiful star. You can make more such stars and make a beautiful wall hanging, or you can use in different decor pieces. Thank you so much for watching this video.